Plastics is one of the largest custom rotational molding companies in the United States. We have the experience and knowledge to make any unique part using the rotomolding process. Adding services like secondary finishing and assembly are just a few of the many things our customers appreciate. We're more than just a rotational molding company. Our secondary finishing and assembly operations add exceptional value to your final part. Some of the tasks we can do in secondary finishing include: add metal inserts and threads, drill and rout openings, thermally weld fittings and other hardware, add structural reinforcement, apply colorful graphics, assemble parts, and drop ship. These finishing touches will help push your part or product toward completion and help speed up final delivery.